Let's practice the tatkar. We'll start with the slow speed, half the speed of the beat, and then slowly increase. Ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, thei, thei, tak, ta, thei, thei, tak. Now let's go double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, thei, thei, tak, ta, thei, thei, tak. Ta, thei, thei, tak, ta, thei, thei, tak. Remember to work on your posture when we are in our slower speeds. Feet in a V, upright stand, nice and tall, elbows out, chin up. Now let's try double speed again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, thei, thei, tak, ta, a, thei, thei, tak. Ta, thei, thei, tak, ta, a, thei, thei, tak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. One more time. Ta, thei, thei, tak, a, thei, thei, tak, ta, ta, thei, thei, tak, ta, a, thei, thei, tak. Very good. Let's try double the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,